Welcome to Easy Add-ins. Let's drive step by step. Make sure Enable Widget from Essential Classy tab. Let's jump into Elementor Editor and search Message Box Widget. In Message Box Content tab, first of all select Icon. Then manage title and description of Message Box. Also, you can manage Close Icon and their trigger effect with Fade Out and Slide Out. Also, you can manage Arrow after Icon Box. In Icon Style tab, you can manage padding, margin, and icon size. Also, you can manage color, background, border for normal and hover state. In Title Style tab, you can manage padding, margin, and title typography. Also, you can manage color, background, border for normal and hover state. In Description Style tab, you can manage padding, margin, typography, and alignment of description. Also, you can manage color, background, border for normal and hover state. In Box Content Style tab, you can manage padding and margin of box. Also, you can manage background, border for normal and hover state. Let's check sample layout of Message Box using Fade Out and Slide Out effect.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.